What's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, London Hawthorne. I am here with yet another unboxing. This is an Amazon Prime unboxing, shipped from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. It arrived. This is the second take. Unfortunately, my camera stopped recording. So it came in that. But this is a gift for my aunt. This is a pillowcase, a flamingo pillowcase. My dog is letting me know that the mailman or mail woman is here and he hates them. But this is a flamingo pillowcase for my aunt. She likes flamingos. I mean, how can you really blame her, you know? As always, thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe. Please share. Check out some of my other many unboxings. Thanks so much for watching. I wish you the best. If you want to help support my channel, hit the notification bell, subscribe, check out my other thousands of videos. Let my videos just run for hours and hours and hours. Another thing you can do is cash at me at London Hawthorne, or use my username London Hawthorne as your coupon code at sites like riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. You'll save about $3 off every single shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne. Have a great one. Thanks for watching.